Today we will guide you through adding virtual phone numbers to your Calilio account. This will take you no time at all. Alright, first up, if you haven't got an account yet, you'll need to sign up on the Calilio dashboard. If you already have an account, just log in and you'll land right on your dashboard. From there, head over to Settings and click on My Number. Now click Purchase Number. This brings up a list of options, or simply click the plus icon in the number section of the navigation bar to get here too. Next, you'll see a drop-down list next to the country section. Go ahead and select the country you need the number from. Then, decide what capabilities you need, like voice, SMS, MMS, or fax. Choose the type of number you want, local, mobile, or toll-free. Each option suits different needs, so pick what works best for you. You can also choose your criteria in the Search Criteria section. You can even customize the numbers to include specific digits. Like, if you want a number that has double ones, just set that in the Match To section. You can fine-tune even more with the Advanced Filter section, setting your address requirements right there. Just like that, you have a list of available numbers. Pick the one you like and click on Buy Number. Name it and add it to your cart, and repeat these steps if you need more numbers registered under your name. If you're purchasing numbers from the USA or Canada, you won't need to verify your identity. However, in other countries, you may need to undergo a verification process due to varying telecommunications laws. Next, click Confirm Purchase to proceed. A purchase ticket will be generated, and our support team will handle document registration and phone number verification with the carrier. Once the carrier provider verifies your phone number with the documents, you'll be assigned a number which will be reflected in the My Numbers section. You will also be notified if the purchase number is unavailable or the carrier rejects your document. Our support team will assist you if such an event occurs. Expand your global presence in just a few clicks with Calilio. Contact our support for more information.